Planning Your Career in 2026, Guidance for Members of the Workers of England Union. Career planning in 2026 means understanding how work is changing and how you can stay secure and prepared. Automation, artificial intelligence, and new economic pressures are reshaping the labour market. As a member of the Workers of England Union, this is an important moment to think ahead. Strengthen your skills and make choices that support long-term stability. Future-proof skills. You can benefit from developing a balanced mix of digital, analytical, and interpersonal skills. Digital abilities such as data handling, AI literacy, cybersecurity, and online communication are becoming standard in many roles. Analytical skills like problem solving, planning, and decision making help you deal with change more confidently. Human skills such as communication, teamwork, leadership, and project management remain valuable in almost every job. By building a combination of these skills, you give yourself flexibility and the confidence to move within or between sectors as opportunities develop. Continuous learning and upskilling. Career security today depends on continuous learning rather than relying only on past qualifications. You can develop new skills through online courses, workplace training, apprenticeships, or local college programs. Informal learning is also powerful. Volunteering, taking on new tasks at work, or completing small projects can show initiative and strengthen your CV. Many employers value workers who take responsibility for their own development. The WEU supports fair access to training and encourages you to take advantage of opportunities that help you grow. Goal setting and career planning. Planning your future starts with understanding your strengths, interests, and preferred working style. Setting clear goals gives you direction when deciding what to learn or which roles to pursue. Reviewing your plans regularly is important because industries are changing quickly. Keeping a simple record of your achievements, qualifications, and positive feedback helps you present yourself strongly when applying for jobs or discussing your future with your employer. The WEU's website and office can support you with interview preparation, career reviews, and workplace discussions. Flexibility and adapting to new work patterns. Hybrid and remote work are now part of many industries. Understanding how you work best and what balance supports your well-being will help you choose roles that suit your needs. Transferable skills such as communication, organisation, and digital confidence make it easier for you to move across sectors. Growing areas like healthcare, green energy, digital technology, logistics and engineering continue to offer long-term opportunities. Preparing early allows you to benefit from these developments. Networking, mentoring, and community support. Building a supportive network helps you stay informed and confident. Mentors can offer advice at key moments in your career. Joining professional groups or online communities gives you access to shared experience, guidance, and new opportunities. Engaging with others strengthens your understanding of the job market and makes it easier to navigate change. The WEU encourages you to connect with fellow members and use the strength of collective support. Why this matters for your job security. Labour market forecasts show increasing demand for adaptability and ongoing learning. By continuing to develop your skills, you protect yourself against automation, restructuring, and economic uncertainty. Staying informed and investing in yourself improves your bargaining position and long-term stability. The WEU remains committed to defending your employment rights and the recognition you deserve. Practical next steps. To put this into practice, here are simple steps you can take over the next week. Review your current skills and compare them with those that are now in demand. Choose one learning goal, such as improving your digital confidence or developing project management skills, and find a suitable course or resource. Create a one-year career plan with 2 or 3 realistic milestones. Join one professional group, training community, or network connected to your sector or interests. Set a reminder for a 6-month career check-in so you can reflect on progress and adjust your goals if needed. The Workers of England Union is here to support you as you work through these steps and plan for a secure and successful 2026.